السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome dear students, second prep, unit 5, lesson 4, Euclidean Theorem. Remember first we studied before the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, if measure of angle A equal 90 degree, then the hypotenuse here is BC. To find BC power 2 will equal EB power 2 plus EC power 2. Then we can find the length of BC by make square root of EB power 2 plus EC power 2. And to find the length of EB power 2 will be equal the hypotenuse power 2 minus the other side power 2, which equal BC power 2 minus EC power 2. And EC power 2 will equal hypotenuse power 2 BC power 2 minus the other side, which is EB power 2. And this is the rule of Pythagoras theorem. In this lesson, we will study Euclidean theorem. If we have triangle ABC is right angle triangle at A, and we have the line perpendicular from the point A to BC, ED is perpendicular to BC, then to find AB power 2 or BA power 2 will equal BD multiplying by BC. And to find of length AC power 2 or CA power 2 will equal CD times CB. And the length of DA power 2 will equal DB times DC. And length of AD, we can find the length of AD by multiplying AB by AC over BC, multiplying the two sides of the right angle, angle A, over the hypotenuse BC. Example number 1. In the opposite figure, ABC is right angle triangle at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. Complete the following. First, AC power 2. We need to find AC power 2 with addition sign. Because it's plus, then AC is a hypotenuse. And AC is a hypotenuse in triangle ACD. Therefore, AC power 2 will equal AD power 2 plus DC power 2. And if AC power 2, we need to find AC power 2 with subtraction sign, then AC power 2 is not hypotenuse. And AC not hypotenuse in the triangle ABC. We make hypotenuse power 2, which is BC power 2, minus the other side AB power 2. To find the length of AC power 2 with multiplication sign, then we use Euclidean rules, Euclidean theorem. Then AC power 2 will equal CD multiplying by CB. And AD power 2 will equal, by multiplication sign, will equal DB times DC. AC times AB will equal AD times DC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC. Number 2, in triangle ABC is right angle triangle in which measure of angle ABC equal 90 degree and BD is perpendicular to EC. Length of EB equal 4, AC equal 5. Complete. First, find the length of BC. We can find length of BC by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is equal 5 and the other side equal 4. Then BC power 2 will equal AC power 2 minus AB power 2, which equal 9. Then BC will equal square root of 9, which equal 3 cm. Then the length of AD. To find the length of AD, we can find first the length of BD. Length of BD will equal AB times BC over hypotenuse, which is AC, will equal 4 multiplying by 3 over 5 will equal 12 over 5, or 2.4 cm. Then AD, we can find the length of AD from the triangle ABD will equal AD power 2 will equal hypotenuse power 2, 4 power 2 minus BD power 2, 2.4 power 2 will equal 10.24. Then the length of ED will equal square root of 10.24, which equals 3.2 centimeter. Then the area of triangle DBC, we know that the rule of the area of triangle equal half times base times height, and the base and height of the right angle triangle is the two sides of the right angle, which is DB and DC. We need to find the length of DC. Length of EC equal 5, and we find that length of ED equals 3.2. Therefore, the length of DC equal 1.8, because 5 minus 3.2 equal 1.8. Then the area of triangle DBC equal half times 1.8 times 2.4 will equal 2.16 centimeter square. Example 3. In triangle ABC, measure of angle BEC equal 90 degree. AD is perpendicular to BC. AB equal 8. AC equal 6 centimeter. We need to find the length of BD and CD and AD. First, we can find the length of BC because we have the two sides of the right angle, AB and AC, and the BC is hypotenuse. Therefore, BC power 2 will equal AB power 2 plus AC power 2, which equal 8 power 2 plus 6 power 2 equal 100. Then the length of BC, we can cancel power 2 with square root. Then BC will equal 10 centimeter. Then AB power 2 equal BD times BC. And we have AB power 2, AB equal 8, then AB power 2 will equal 64. Length of BD, we don't have the length of BD, multiplying by BC, which equal 10. Then the length of BD will equal 64 over 10, which equals 6.4. And AC power 2, which equal CD times CB. AC power 2 equal 6 power 2 equal 36, and CD times BC equal 10. Then the length of CD will equal 36 over 10 will equal 3.6 centimeter. Then the length of ED power 2 equal DB times DC. We find that the length of BD equals 6.4 and the length of DC equals 3.6. 6.4 times 3.6 equal 23.04. Then the length of ED will equal square root of these numbers will equal 4.8 centimeter. Example number 4. ABCD is quadrilateral in which measure of angle BCD equal measure of angle BAD equal 90 degree, and EE is perpendicular to BD. Length of BC equal 7, EB equal 15, CD equal 24. Then the length of H of BD and AD equal. We can find the length of BD from the triangle BCD. Since this triangle is right angle triangle at C, therefore BD power 2 equal BC power 2 plus CD power 2, which equals 7 power 2 plus 24 power 2 equal 625. Then the length of BD equal square root of 625 will equal 25 centimeter. In triangle ABD, since that this triangle is right angle at A, therefore AD power 2 will equal BD power 2, the hypotenuse power 2 minus EB power 2 will equal 400. Then the length of AD will equal a square root of 400, which equal 20 centimeter. Number 2, the length of the projection AB on BD. AB on BD. The projection of the point A is E, and the projection of the point B is the same point B because B belongs to BD. Then the projection is BE. Since that AB power 2 equal BE times BD, AB power 2 equal 15 power 2 equal 225 equal BE times BD, we find that the length of BD equal 25. then length of BE equal 225 divided by 25 will equal 9 cm. And the length of projection of AD on AE. The projection of the point A on AE is the point A, and the projection of the point D on EE is the point E. Then we need to find the length of EE. We can find the length of EE by Euclidean Theorem, AB multiplying by AD over BD, which equal 15 times 20 over 25 will equal 12 centimeters. Example number 5, ABC is right angle triangle at B. BD is perpendicular to AC. Length of AD equal 4.5. Length of CD equal 8 centimeters. Find the length of AB and BC and BD. Since that ABC is right angle triangle at B and BD is perpendicular to AC, therefore that AB power 2 equal AD times AC. AD equal 4.5 and AC we will add 4.5 plus 8 which equal 12.5. 4.5 times 12.5 equal 56.25. Then the length of AB will equal square root of 56.25 will equal 7.5. Then the length of BC power 2 will equal CD times CA. CD equal 8 and CA equal 12.5 will equal 100. Then the length of BC will equal square root of 100 which equal 10 centimeters. And the length of BD power 2 will equal DA times DC which equal 4.5 times 8 will equal 36. Then the length of BD equal 6 centimeters. Thanks for watching and goodbye.